We have a Cradle Certification mark. And one of the key components of the mark is that it's not just a pass-fail. Many of these eco-labels, you make some criteria up, you then set the standard, and if you meet that standard, you get the label, and it's a single attribute in the end. We have this multiple attributes, the 5 areas I talked about. And you can imagine that we didn't get to where we are in our designs through one design iteration. We didn't get to the place we are with some of the problems we see in the world in one step. We've been at this making products and services since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. And so we're not going to get to the place we want to be with more sustaining products in one design iteration. So we have to allow for these transformations to happen over time, obviously as quickly as possible. And so what we've come up with is a graded system. And we start at the lowest level with what we call the basic certification, which is where a company has gone down the supply chain, looked at everything that's in everything, all the components of the products they make, and they now understand what they've got from this human health and ecological health perspective. And so they're now informed and can start making decisions for how they want to optimize their product in the future. So that's just really getting on the path. You may not have changed anything yet, but you know where you are, and so you can now orient yourself into the new direction. And then we have silver, gold, and platinum as 3 progressions along the way towards becoming as fully cradle to cradle as we can imagine today, that show how you're making progress over time. And we've set the bar so high that today, after even 5 years of running the certification program, we don't have a single platinum product. We have many silver, several gold. So that's a really important part. The bar is very, very high in this program.